Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got a Heritage 60 rolling out the shop today. Now, this is going to my man Bert in the great state of Texas, and this is kind of a rare bird nowadays here at TMG. You don't really see us building Heritage very often anymore. I don't know why that is. There's nothing wrong with the good old Heritage smoker, but let alone a 60. So we got a 60 now, guys. We'll do the Heritage in a 36, 48, 60, and a 72. The 60 and 72 will both be double doors like this. I really like the double door setup here. So you got 4 sliding trays. We did weld some wire mesh in between the slides here in the middle, so you got a little extra room there. And it is a traditional flow, as you can see. Normally we do them reverse, but Bert wanted traditional, said, yes sir, we got you. Built him a traditional flow Heritage 60. Now that's a 24-inch diameter pipe, all 1/4 inch thick. He did upgrade to that stainless steel front shelf there. And speaking of upgrades on the firebox, now traditionally you'd get a round firebox on your Heritage. He upgraded to our copperhead style, which is the one with the grill top with the built-in grease drain. That's a really great option here, guys. You got a hot surface here ready to go, ready to cook on. Now, he did get it on our off-road package. We got some badass upgraded wheels and tires on there for him as well. So guys, that is Bert's Heritage 60 traditional flow heading out to Texas. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.